Welcome students, this is Utpal, your maths teacher. In this class I am going to start a chapter that is in number system. This is the first chapter of class 9. Okay, but before starting the chapter I am requesting to all the students, please take a pen and paper to follow the class. What I will write on the board, please write those things on your paper, otherwise you cannot follow the class. Okay, but so the number system. From our childhood, we have learned so many numbers. For an example, rational number, irrational number, integer, fraction. In this class, I will give some concept on those numbers, and in this class, I am going to discuss with these numbers. Okay, first, number systems are divided in two parts. First part is real number, and second part is imaginary number. So all the numbers in our universe, these the numbers are divided into two branches. First part real number, second part imaginary number. Imaginary number means I, 7i, 8i, where I equal to root of -1. This is not in our syllabus. We will learn it in the higher classes. Let's concentrate on the real number. Okay, real numbers are also divided two numbers, that is irrational number and rational number. Now I am giving the definition of real number. What is real number? Real number is those numbers which can be expressed as p by q. Real numbers are those numbers which are expressed p by q, where q not equal to 0 and pq must be the integer. Those numbers are called real number. For an example, those numbers are called rational number. For an example 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 5. These numbers are rational number. So rational number definition, those numbers which can be expressed as p by q, where pq are integer and q not equal to 0. The another part of the number is irrational number. Irrational number means those numbers which cannot be expressed as a p by q form, where pq are integer and q not equal. That in p by q form it cannot be expressed. Those numbers which cannot be expressed in p by q form are called irrational number.
Start.
For an example, pi. Pi is an irrational number. We will discuss further on irrational number in the later. Okay, next, rational number. Rational numbers are divided into three parts: integer, whole number, and natural number. What is integer? Integer means not fraction, not decimal. That is the concept only. For an example, -1, -2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot dot dot, and continue. So these are the integer. What is whole number? Whole number means the whole number set is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and continuing. That is whole number. What is natural number? Natural number means 1, 2, 3, dot dot dot. So natural number starts from 1. That's why another name of natural number is counting number. Why? Because it starts from 1, and when natural number set in added 0, that set will be whole number. And natural number can be divided into two parts, that is prime number and composite number. Prime number means those numbers which have only factor the 1 and itself. For an example, 7. 7 has only two factor, 1 and 7. That's why 7 is a prime number. What is composite number? Composite number means those numbers which have factor 1 itself and have some other factor. For an example, 6. That factors are 2, 1, 2, 3 and 6. So many factors it has. That's why these are composite numbers. So composite numbers are more than two factors. Composite numbers are more than two factors. And one thing must remember, that pi is an irrational number, but 22 by 7 is a rational number. And integer means integer, that is -1 to -0. Integer is a special type of rational number whose denominator is always 1. Integer means 2 by 7 is a rational number, but it is not an integer. When 2 by 1, known that if any rational number whose denominator is 1, that is integer.
Dot.
First question of exercise 1.1, that is 0 a rational number? We have to verify 0 is a rational number or not. The answer is yes. As 0 can be expressed as P by Q form, where Q not equal to 0. 0 can be expressed as 0 by 1. 0 by 1 means 0. 0 by 2, 0. 0 by 3, 0. So 0 can be expressed as P by Q form, where PQ are this 0 is an integer, itself integer, and 1, 2, 3 these are also integer and not equal to 0. And another form 0 minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So the denominator of those numbers are integers. That's why. So the final conclusion is 0 is a rational number. Next question, the find 6 rational number between 3 and 4. Actually, between the two rational numbers there are so many numbers. Okay, in this question we have to find only 6 rational numbers. Only 6 rational numbers. Okay, in this question, if we want to find the rational number between these two numbers, just first 3, it is written that actually between 3 and 4 there are infinite numbers. 3 equal to 3 into 7, 7 by 7. Why it is 7? 7 by 7? Because of 6. If it is 8 rational number, so I have multiplied here 9 by 9. Okay, so that if want 5 rational number, that will be 6 by 6. So what is to be multiplied with the 3, that will be determined on the number what you are asked. So 3 into 7, that is 21 by 7, and second one number 4 into 7, 28 by 7. Between 21 by 7 and 28 by 7, 21 by 7 means 3, 28 by 7 means 4. So between these two numbers, 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, and 27 by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5 and 6. 6 numbers are here. So between 3 and 4, these numbers are lies.
Start.
Okay, sum number 3, find 5 rational number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So how many numbers? 5. So with that number, what to be multiplied? As it is 5, so we have to multiply 6 by 6. So 3 by 5 into 6 by 6, 3 6 are 18, 5 6 are 30. 4 6 are 24 and 5 6 are 30. So between 18 by 30, 18 by 30 means 3 by 5, 24 by 30 means 4 by 5. Between these two numbers, that is 18 by 30 and 24 by 30, the numbers are 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30 and 24 by 30. These numbers are between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5.